Well, I wonder if I can cross here. The water gets a bit deeper. Look off the grass a bit. Hey everybody, thanks for joining me. I am out by the river. Check it out. Well, it's usually deer here, but maybe not today. It's July 4th, 2021. Happy 4th of July to everybody out there. And I did a bit of a walk today on the streets. And on my way back, I decided to stop by here. Do a little bit of a nature walk. It's amazing. It's a Sunday and nobody's here. It's funny. Before the... That's a pretty good looking flower set. Before the closing was over, these parks were packed with people. And not anymore. Pretty empty. Or maybe I'm just on a trail section that nobody ventures out to. But we'll see how far we can go on this trail before we get wet and muddy. And we are forced to turn around. I don't see any of these birds here. They're blue herons that were here last year. Maybe they're up ahead, I don't know. Maybe they're not coming back this year. Last year I ended up photographing a lot of egrets and blue heron here, and they were good. A few of them got kind of a little bit friendly with me. They were fun birds to hang out with. Made lots of films with them. I'm hoping this year we get some more, and that way I can film them too. But so far I don't see any. Yeah, sun. Super hot. Maybe I go for a swim later. It's a totally perfect spot to go for a swim. The problem with swimming in rivers is, you get all your stuff wet and sand and mud in your shoes, and generally it's a messy affair. Affairs are always messy. So I've heard. Beautiful. It's a nice little trail. Definitely not doable on a bike, though. Ooh. I don't think you can go past the waterfall. Alright. Oh, look. Lots of Canada geese over there, chilling in the sun. This is the first waterfall on Humber River. What is this section? Wow, it's a lot of wood. Chunks. It's like a beaver action. It looks like it. I don't know. It looks actually does look like a beaver action. All right, here we go. Oh, I found some people. I found some people. All right. Back to the river. Back to the river. All right. All right. And we are here. Beautiful. That's a lot of water coming down. Wow, there's a lot of junk here. It must have been from the storm we had last week. That sign says no fishing. You're not allowed to fish, I think, 60 meters near the waterfall. You gotta stay back. Look at this white foam. Looks good on picture, but not in person. Alright, I'm gonna head back. I'm gonna head back. You can stay with me or fast forward to the section where I head south on the river. It's up to you. I'll put a link to the front section, but we'll see. We'll see. Oh, the light's completely different this way, huh? Did you notice that? Look at the lighting. It's so much more different here. That's me. And this lighting is so much more like this. I don't know what you call it. Backlit, high contrast, fun. Ooh. I tried to come down here when it was raining, but the water was way high. Wow, it was easier to come up this way than go down. Alright. What's that? It's a lot of junk here also from the storm. From the storm. Yeah, I like this nature walks. I gotta do more. I used to do a bunch of them by lake before. I think I want to start doing them again. You can see my shadow. Da, 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 da. You can see it's actually somebody holding a camera. It's not a drone following randomly. Shadow man walking. How about this? Does this get my feet in the shot? Not really. That's an interesting angle, isn't it? That's a cool angle. I like it actually. If you fast forward it, you miss my shadow trekking across the river path. We're in Toronto, Canada. If you are got my phone monitor, make sure I'm hitting the right angles on the camera. If you're joining the channel for the first time, I'm doing a walk in Toronto with a body cam attached to me, very quietly. What was that? I do biking and walking videos. My bike is under repair currently. We are working to fix it. That tree's got no leaves on it. Pretty good. I like trees that have no leaves on. I like green, but too much green gets crazy. Do a look back. Beautiful. Not a single cloud in the sky, which means we're not going to get a nice sunset. Clouds, you need big clouds in the sky to get a dramatic sunset. Without it, maybe if you're by the sea or an ocean or something, but not in this area, you're not going to get a good colorful sunset. You need the clouds. All right. I've seen a couple of deers here before, and I actually put one on the film. A film I made going to Ontario Place. For some reason I was talking about a deer and I stuck the footage in there. One of the Ontario Place footage. Like, let's see. I can smell perfume. There's smells like cheap women's or men's perfume. I don't know which. We'll see. We'll see who's wearing it. You're gonna be surrounded by mosquitoes wearing so much perfume. Oh. How deep is that? A little bit too deep. I don't get my boots wet. Stay inside of them because then you have to dry them for hours on end. Maybe we can go down this way. Alright. Alright, that's good. Oh man. Beautiful. Oh, look at these. Ducks are running away from me. Who's this madman? Come here. From the river with a camera attached to himself. I've come here with a bike many times here. I just chill out on these rocks. Let's continue past this bridge. This is a bridge over the Humber River. Oh, that's where that perfume's coming from. It's incense, I think. Oh, beautiful. I'm gonna go walk till the end of this landmass as much as I can. Oh, glad I have my water with me. Water or vodka? Oh, that feels good. I put some mint in my water. Just Makes the flavor so much better. Hi guys. Sorry. I think I was walking through some ceremony or something. Wow. By the river. Alright, we're out of here. So, we can exit through here. Let's keep going. I wonder if I can. Let's go through here and we'll walk. Everybody's going in the river and holding a baby. So it must be some sort of a ceremony. Christening maybe? I don't know. But they're not dunking the baby in the water. They're just getting themselves wet. Here's my nature walk video. Let's go here and see what's. Oh. I think I should turn around. This goes out. They're still ringing a bell. I could smell that incense kind of a smell all the way down there. I thought it was a perfume, but it's incense. I don't mean the smell is good or bad. Cheap perfume, to me, it doesn't equate as a bad smell. I said this before in a previous video, that there is no such thing as a good or a bad smell to me. It's just different. I know some people say, oh, it smells so good. You know, I mean, I don't understand the concept of good or bad smell at all. Just each smell is different. Has its own purpose, you know. Yeah, I thought I could cross here, but alright. There's some. Oh, there's some new graffiti on the bridge. Here's the thing about graffiti. I'm not a big fan of street art or graffiti, or I just don't like it because I think most of it is. I don't want to be mean or anything, but most of it is not very skillfully done. It's just in your face. That the thing about it is that you're captive. You cannot look away. You go down the alleyway, you have to look at the walls. You can't close your eyes. So they hold you hostage to look at their art. And if you have to hold somebody hostage to buy your stuff or look at your art or listen to your music, by definition, it means it's not that good. Because if it was good, people would be paying to see your art or your. But if you force them to see it, then it's like advertising. It's not that good. But sometimes, wow, this is cool. There's a car seat down there. Oh, and music. Look at that. That's actually a cool shot. A bridge and a car seat. Wow. However, if you do graffiti that's in a really hard spot, hard to reach area, like the top of the bridge or something, then I like it. Because it's not that you did a graffiti I like, it's the fact that you could risk your life and climb something, and your graffiti tells me that you actually climbed up there. So it's different. That makes sense to me. Like, here's a bridge and somebody's done some graffiti up on the arch of a bridge. I don't know what the hell it means, but all I care about is that somebody was crazy enough to climb that and risk their life, and they wrote their name or tag or whatever up there. I don't mind that, but just to put something on the base of a river, kayak rental, that'd be fun. It's down here, you ride something down here in the middle of the night, it's not that impressive. Ooh. These guys are heading out on a canoe. Like those things, I like those. On the bridge. All the way up there. Somebody must have climbed that arch somehow. I don't know how, because this thing's so high. And, you know, if you fall, the river has some water in it, but it's not super deep. You could still hit the bottom, especially in the edges. So, but that to me is kind of nuts. I mean, the guy who did this graffiti down here, no big deal, whatever. Nobody's here in the middle of the night, no risk. But up there, that thing is pretty crazy. How did you do that? I want to know how they climbed that, because it's pretty high. Anyway, here's my nature walk for today. I'm going to end the film here. If you enjoyed the walk, I'll probably do more of these nature ones again, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for hanging out.